Hello everyone. Okay, so guess what? I made it to the top 15. What? I made it to the top 15 and sent over my prize from NYX. This is the bag. Let's see what's on the inside now, shall we? I've got a mask. This is the Serum Mask Hydra Bomb Intense Hydrating Bouncy Tissue Mask from Garnier. Thank you so much. My skin is so dry. I need some hydration. And we also got the normal sized micellar water.
I'm not gonna try to pronounce it correctly. I don't even know the right pronunciation. I didn't look it up.
Thank you so much, Garnier. Like, now I don't have to buy no makeup remover. The next thing we have here is this holographic makeup bag from NYX. Cute. Thank you. Next thing, the NYX Ultimate Edit Petite Shadow Palette. This one is the Brights palette. Here are the shades. You have a yellow, a peach, a pink, a purple, a blue, and a green. We got the Off Tropic Shadow Palette in Shifting Sands. Here are the shades. You have all these cool shades that I'm gonna try out later. Okay, moving on to the next thing. We have a Born to Glow Illuminating Powder. This one is in the shade Warm Strobe. The next thing we have here is NYX Lip Lingerie Push Up Long Lasting Lipstick in the shade After Hours. It's brown. Okay, the next thing we have here, which I am so excited about, is the Sweet Cheeks Glow Creamy Powder Blushes. Yeah, we got Red Riot and Bang Bang. This is Bang Bang. This is Red Riot. I'm gonna try these out. I'm so excited. Okay. Next thing we have is the Away We Glow Liquid Booster in the shade Snatched. Ooh, girl, she snatched. Foundation brush. This one I think goes well with the Total Control Drop Foundation. It's really soft. Is it synthetic? The next thing we have here is the Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. Yeah, this is a primer. And the last thing we have are two SFX cream colors in the shade Orange and Purple. Like, yeah, that is all. I feel like I want to do a look right now because the products are bomb. Okay, I'm gonna do a look. See you in a bit. I would like to thank NYX and these year's sponsors, which are Garnier, Grab, WeWork, and Beatrice Looi. And special shout out to the Abang Grab Express who sent the parcel in the rain on a motorcycle. Thank you so much.
To show you what I have in store for the look for my top 15. The theme is Tribal Warrior and magic out of a lip. So that is all for today. I hope you like the looks. I hope you like the video, and if you do, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to me because that helps. And like, yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye bye.
Okay, let's do it. Ooh, all the single ladies, all the single ladies. I have the attention span of a goldfish.